Children can learn essential lessons about responsibility, work ethic, and financial management from an early age when they earn money. Kids can make money in a variety of ways, and each one can be tailored to their age, hobbies, and ability level. This comprehensive video explores various ways children can make money, from traditional jobs and entrepreneurial ventures to leveraging technology. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Babysitting. A traditional means of earning money for teenagers is babysitting. It entails taking care of smaller kids and making sure they're safe and comfortable while their parents are away. This is how children can begin. Certification. Assist them in enrolling in a babysitting course that covers emergency protocols and fundamentals of child care, including those provided by the Red Cross. Networking. To gain experience and a good reputation, start by watching for neighbors and family members. Promote. Make flyers or postings on social media to advertise your babysitting services. Emphasize your experience, credentials, and availability. Lawn mowing and yard work. It can be profitable to provide yard maintenance services, such as lawn mowing and landscaping, particularly in the spring and summer. Children learn the value of diligence and attention to detail from this profession. Equipment. Make sure they have access to the essential gardening tools and a dependable lawnmower. Safety equipment is also crucial, including as gloves and eye protection. Pricing. Determine reasonable prices by taking into account the size of the lawn and the difficulty of the work. Promotion. Post on social media groups and local bulletin boards, or hand out flyers. Dog walking and pet sitting. Dog walking and pet sitting are fun ways to make money for those who adore animals. Demand for these services is very high, especially among time-pressed pet owners. Experience. Children should be at ease with a variety of types and sizes and have prior experience handling pets. Offer flexible scheduling to meet the various demands of your clients. Examples of such needs include daily walks or pet sitting while on vacation. Marketing. Make flyers and business cards to hand out at neighborhood pet shops, vet offices, and internet forums. House sitting. Taking care of a home while its owners are away may involve activities like feeding pets, watering plants, and gathering mail. Reliability. It's critical to exhibit accountability and dependability. Credibility can be increased by citing neighbors' or family friends' recommendations. Services provided. Give a clear description of the services provided, including security checks, pet care, and plant watering. Communication. Keep in touch with the homeowners on a frequent basis to give them updates on their property. Guiding. Tutoring can be a rewarding and successful approach for youngsters who are interested in academics to make money. In disciplines they are good at, they can tutor younger students or their classmates. Subjects. Determine which areas of expertise or abilities they are most comfortable instructing others in. Materials. Create lesson plans and study materials to ensure that classes are interesting and productive. Advertising. Use social media, community centers, and school bulletin boards to advertise tutoring services. Entrepreneurial ventures. Lemonade stands. An age-old entrepreneurial endeavor that educates kids about customer service, money management, and business fundamentals is the lemonade stand. Location. Pick a busy spot, such a corner in the neighborhood or a public gathering. Materials. Get plenty of ice, glasses, sugar, and lemons. Make sure they have a sign to draw customers in and a solid table. Sales and pricing. To boost sales, establish a fair pricing and provide incentives like a second cup at a discounted rate. Artisanal crafts. Youngsters who are artistic can make and sell handcrafted goods like jewelry, candles, or artwork. This endeavor develops business acumen and inventiveness. Materials. To make eye-catching products, spend money on high-quality materials. Platforms. You can sell goods online at Etsy or at regional craft fairs and farmers markets. Marketing. To show off their works and connect with more people, use social media. Vehicle cleaning. Another sensible business idea is car cleaning, particularly in the summer. It can be completed in the area and requires little financial outlay. Equipment. Assemble the tools you'll need, like as hoses, buckets, sponges, and soap. Service offerings. To increase revenue, provide extra services like interior cleaning or waxing. Promotion. To draw clients, use social media, flyers, and word-of-mouth advertising. Getting baked goods sold. Youngsters who have a passion for baking might get money by selling their homemade delicacies. You can do this from home, at events around town, or even at farmers' markets. Recipes. Get a few well-known dishes, such as brownies, cookies, and cupcakes, just right. Presentation. Make sure the baked goods are labeled with ingredients and package them in an appealing manner. Channels of sales. Promote your products through school activities, neighborhood gatherings, and internet sites. Garage sales. Kids may earn money and help organize their homes by planning a garage sale. Selling second-hand goods like clothing, toys, and books is part of it. Inventory. Gather in good condition, no longer needed items. Pricing. Set fair prices for your products to draw in customers, and be prepared to haggle. Advertising. Use social media, online community boards, and street signs to advertise the sale. Making use of technology. Online evaluations and surveys. Young people might get paid to take part in internet reviews and surveys. A lot of businesses invest in customer feedback to enhance their offerings. Make sure the platform is suitable for their age based on the age requirements. Some websites demand minors' agreement from their parents. Reputable websites make use of reliable websites like Toluna, Survey Junkie, and Swagbucks. Earnings. Recognize that although this approach won't produce large sums of money rapidly, it can be an easy way to generate extra money. Content generation. Content creation on sites like YouTube, TikTok, or a blog can be rewarding and enjoyable for young people who are tech-savvy. Passion and expertise. Pay attention to subjects they are knowledgeable and enthusiastic about, including cooking, crafting, or gaming. Consistency. To expand your audience, consistently publish excellent material. After they have a sizable fan base, look at ways to make money, like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Selling things online using websites like eBay, Etsy, or Mercari, kids can make products or sell things they no longer need. Inventory. Choose goods to sell, such toys, clothing, and electronics, or make handcrafted goods and artwork. Listing. Provide crisp images, thorough descriptions, and affordable rates. Shipping. To guarantee client happiness, learn effective packing and shipping techniques. Virtual assistants. Children who are older can provide virtual help in the form of graphic design, video editing, and social media account management. Abilities. Determine which abilities, such graphic design, video editing, or social media management, are in demand and cultivate them. Platforms. To locate clients, use freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr and Upwork. Portfolio. To highlight their work and draw in more clients, put together a portfolio. Beta testing and game testing. For comments on new apps and video games, some businesses pay. For children who enjoy gaming, this could be a fun experience. Age requirements. Make sure the activities fit their age and adhere to safety regulations. Reputable platforms. Seek for reputable beta testing and game testing websites. Feedback. To enhance the product and raise the likelihood of next possibilities, please provide thorough feedback. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.